Good morning everyone and welcome to Distance Learning. Today we're going to have a very interesting lesson about zero conditional. Student book page 105. So by the end of today's lesson we will be able to recognize the use of zero conditional. Okay, let's start with activity A. Here you're going to read the examples, then tell me when do we use the zero conditional. Here you're going to match the sentences 1 and 2 with the rules A and B. But before that, let's read the two sentences together. If you win 3 games in this sport, you are the winner. Sentence number 2, if you heat water, it starts to boil at 100 degrees Celsius. I'll give you 5 seconds, then we will check your answers. Okay guys, so sentence number 1, if you win 3 games in the sport, you are the winner. Excellent guys, is to make statement about the real word. Whereas sentence number 2, if you heat water, it starts to boil at 100 degrees Celsius, is to refer to general truth or scientific facts. I believe it's clear now. Let's summarize. We have here 4 examples. So we say if you mix black and white, you get a gray. Number 2, if you heat ice, it melts. Number 3, if you mix blue and yellow, you get a green. And last one, if you don't water the plant, it dies. So as you can see here, we use the zero conditional for 2 things. First of all, to talk about a general truth, scientific fact, or to make statement about the real word. Okay, gentlemen, few things to remember about the zero conditional. First of all, we use a comma to separate the if clause from the main clause. But if the if clause is at the beginning of the sentence, whereas we don't use a comma if the if clause is at the end of the sentence. Let's have a look at the first example. If we recycle, we help save the environment. So if we recycle is the if clause. We help save the environment is the main clause. Let's take a look at the second example. If you mix white and black, you get gray. Here as you can see, if you mix white and black, which is the if clause, you get a gray is the main clause separated by comma in both examples. But remember guys that we use the verbs in present simple only. Okay guys, time to practice. Now I would like you to read these 2 sentences, then you're going to complete the rule about the formation of the zero conditional. But before that, let's read them together. If you win 3 games in this sport, you are the winner. Sentence number 2, if you heat water, it starts to boil at 100 degrees Celsius. I'll give you 5 seconds, then we'll check your answers. Okay, let's check your answers now. So we say here if plus present simple, very good, comma, present simple. So remember guys again that the zero conditional, we use the present simple only. Okay, let's move to activity C. Here you're going to match the 2 halves to make sentences. But before that, let's discuss the first example together. If you heat ice, excellent, the answer is C, it melts. So I'll give you now 5 seconds, then we will check your answers. Okay guys, let's start with example number 2. If you score 12 points, very good, the answer is D, you win the game. Number 3, if you mix blue and yellow, excellent, you get green, the answer is B. If you don't drink water, amazing, you get thirsty, so the answer is E. And last one, if you win the match, very good, you get the trophy, the answer is A. So that's all for today, and I hope that you enjoyed the lesson, but please Do activity B, C, and D, page 112, 113, and log on to your team's account and do the quiz. Good luck!